Hi everybody, Dr. Baumholtz, Baumholtz Plastic Surgery, and on this episode of Back to the Chalkboard, I'm going to answer a question that we get asked a lot of, and that is, how do you pay for plastic surgery or a aesthetic service that someone wants? What are the common ways? Now maybe you know this, or maybe this will get you thinking about things, but let's talk about the most common ways that we see here at Baumholtz Plastic Surgery. Okay, number one, someone wants to reach into their pocket and pull out cash or write a check. Or something, you know, I jokingly wrote gold coins, you know, that is certainly an option. And for some people, that's a very realistic option. The next thing would be to use a personal credit card. Of course, credit cards come with, you know, typically fairly high interest rates, but sometimes someone will have a low interest rate. They'll have the option to push off when that gets paid, or they can structure their payment. Next option would be a bank loan. You go to your bank and have a loan for the amount necessary. But I'd say by far and away the most common option, at least for us, has been that patients will utilize a financial service. And some of the more common ones, Care Credit, Alphion, and there are others in this space, but those probably have the most recognizable names. And the way it works here is when you visit with the patient care coordinator and we have your surgical plan mapped out with what the prices are or what will be involved, we'll often help initiate the application process with you, and then after some screening questions with the company, you'll either be granted the funds you're looking for, or some modification or additional information will be necessary. Once granted, you'll then be funded for the procedure, and it happens from there on like any sort of transaction. There's typically an interest rate that is associated with borrowing money. That's kind of true everywhere, and that's how it happens. So those are the most common ways that plastic surgery services, aesthetic surgery services, get paid for, at least in this practice. Well, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for joining us. If you'd like to know more, please contact me or anybody here at Baumholtz Plastic Surgery. Have a great day.